Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV LED lights on Amazon. Most RVs come with pre-installed incandescent and fluorescents, which are more expensive but less sustainable. Moreover, the LED lights offer a much clearer vision for your late-night picnics at the RV parks. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Core 12V LED Dome Lights. Core 12V LED Dome Lights are an efficient way to light up your RV. I ordered a 5-pack for my mobile home and was happy that it was all I needed to keep my RV illuminated throughout the trip. These lights come with 48 pieces of SMD 5050 LED lights installed for better brightness that draws only 6 watts of energy from your stored DC power. The natural wall flush spreads over the RV with 4,000 to 4,500 K expansions. What we like about it: offers anti-corrosive and heat-resistant. Great life expectancy for over 60,000 hours. Easy to install with all mounting hardware. Uses only 3.6 watts to deliver an astonishing 300 lumen of brightness. 24 hours customer service. What we don't like about it: not fit flush with all RV surfaces. Number 2. Lumitronics Exterior Utility Lighting Fixtures. Lumitronics is a well-renowned name in the RV lighting industry, which offers unmatched functionality with an incredible design. What I appreciate about this exterior light is that it comes with 2 color options, amber and clear, giving you the option to make your vehicle's lighting more versatile than ever before. The anodized aluminum plate is used in the background, allowing the dissipation of heat so that your light doesn't blast in the RV. It is even safer since it is CSA approved and comes with an ABS plastic base. What we like about it: offers 2 snap-on covers for 102 and 138 lumens of brightness. The snap-on covers of different colors, white and amber. Consumes only 12 volts of electricity. Can resist extreme weather condition. What we don't like about it: appears cheap with flimsy material. Number 3. Core LED RV Replacement Bulbs. If your RV interior is designed for bulbs, then your search for perfect 12-volt LED lights for your RV interior ends here with Core RV LED bulbs. They are available in 2 shades, natural white and warm white, allowing you better flexibility to choose between the two. What we like about it: saves a ton of energy with 3 watts usage for emitting 300 lumens. Available in natural white and warm white shades. Easy plug-and-play installation. You can remove the LED bulb for RV interior if you think that other appliances need more power. What we don't like about it: the light can be quite harsh in smaller spaces. Number 4. Alleveco Round Camper LED Lights. The super compact RV LED lights by Alleveco are favorites amongst RV enthusiasts since they are 0.52 inches thinner than other lights, allowing more scope for mounting in tight spaces. I like that one can buy a pack of 8 lights for a fairly reasonable price and install them in various cabinets and other areas. Each light consumes only 3 watts of electricity, reducing energy consumption by 2.5 times. Also, you can install them in association with one big tube light. While the tube light will bring daylight into the living room, these smaller lights can be used when you want light only in specific regions. What we like about it: 18 months manufacturer's warranty and 24-hour customer support. Lasts up to 50,000 hours. Comes with a universal fit for any RV model. Affordable package of 8 LED. What we don't like about it: tends to hang easily if not mounted securely. Number 5. Dream Lighting Reading LED RV Light. If you are looking for an elegant solution to solve all your reading woes in your RV, then you should opt for these reading LED lights by Dream Lighting. These are safe and reliable options, and you order 2 of them in one go. I installed them in my RV so that my partner and I could have separate lights for reading when we were off to bed. I like that you can order multiple styles of these decorative RV interior lights to suit the RV's interior so that they do not look out of place and blend in well. The glass shade is well frosted for better light output. What we like about it: small and elegant reading LED lights for your RV. Offers soothing while the light for reading on the go. Easy to install. The swivel and switch ensure great functionality. What we don't like about it? Not included the mounting hardware. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.